It means that the equalizer goes out of shape and becomes asymmetrical as you sweep up the frequency spectrum. No, cramping is an issue with one particular technique for designing digital equalizers. You often find equalizers that cramp because the technique is one of the most straightforward, so most software developers learn it first, and in many cases it's good enough. But these days we know of many other techniques that produce decramped digital equalizers. Most digital equalizers, which are relatively new, are designed by digitizing an ideal analog equalizer, which are much older and we understand much better. An analog peak, for example, should boost near the center frequency and taper down to no boost at 0 Hz and infinity Hz. But a digital signal is band limited, so that infinity Hz is brought down to half of the sampling rate, the so-called Nyquist frequency. The mathematics of this technique work out in a way that some curves go out of shape in this finitization. It depends on how you do it, but in most cases no, the difference is negligible. FabFilter, Melda Production, and TDR, for example, have decramped equalizers that perform great. In most cases the difference is negligible, especially because you can compensate for the cramping by tweaking the Q by ear, but you should do listening tests and decide for yourself. Then you can watch my live stream in which we explore this topic in depth.